real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices, they running out of options. Cause I've been going off and they don't know when it's still trap. Know the track me is really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices, they running out of options. Cause I've been going off and they don't know when it's still trap.
Hey guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel. My name is Samantha. For those of you who already know me, you know me as Sam I Am. You follow me on the gram. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys. First of all, let me tell you about how nervous I am right now, because I'm dumb hype. If y'all know me, y'all know I've been supposed to start a YouTube channel, but like it was just so much going on. But I felt like today, 2019, is that year, and I'm just gonna start it. I'm just gonna do it. All right. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to lay your frontal using the ball cap method to get this beautiful flat seamless look. I did a little side part for you guys today. I'm going to insert my Instagram name somewhere in this video. You're going to see on my page a couple days ago I did a high ponytail. I did a little bun as well. This is a 360 frontal with two 24-inch bundles. The frontal is 20 inches. My makeup was done by my younger cousin. Her YouTube will be in the description. So yeah, you know, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can see me and your notifications in the future, you know. Like, also I want you guys to comment some ideas on some things you guys want me to do on this channel in the future. Like anything you guys want me to do, just, you know, comment below and let's get started. So today we're gonna be installing this beautiful 360 frontal that I created. Oh, okay, so now I'm just adjusting my cap, and you wanna cut right here, right there. I learned this trick from Glamazante, and I feel like it personally gives you like a more flat, seamless meltdown. As for when you just leave it over your ears and you cut it off and the ends is all sticking up and it's just a crisis and the world's gonna end and it's just, ugh. No, you want to cut the air out. Be careful. Don't cut your ear. Don't cut your hair. Just be very careful when you're doing this step. Okay, so right here I'm now using my yellow freeze blast spray from Got to Be Glue. I like this spray better than the gel because it's more sturdy and it's less messy. So I like to give it like a nice rub, you know, rub rub everything and get everything all saturated. Then you want to blow dry on a cool setting and just continue rubbing, you know, just rub it in. So I went ahead and I gave it another coat. I usually do it once, but I like to do it twice for extra security, you know, just to make sure it lays perfect. So you want to get your fingers and press it in and blow dry again on a cool setting, and you want to repeat the same steps for both sides. You don't really want it to run down, like you want the spray to stay in one place. So try to get it to set properly, because when it runs down to your forehead, girl, it hurts. It's sticky and it hurts. Okay, so now right here I'm just cutting off the extra pieces of cap that I no longer need. You want to cut it to the shape of your hairline or your desire, really. Just be careful. Snip, snip, snip. So with the access stocking cap in the back, normally I just tie it up and tuck it under my braids. You don't have to worry about that part because the wig is going to be covering it anyway. This is a 360 frontal again that I've custom made. I just added 2 bundles in the back, and I use the elastic bands that it comes with. So right here, I am now trying on the frontal to see if I need to cut off any access stocking cap, just to make sure it lines up, you know, it matches up, so we're not looking all crooked and crazy out here, so you want to go and just start snipping any excess pieces of stocking cap. Make sure you get those pieces off because you will look crazy. So now I'm just using some drugstore makeup. I will comment the name of these products below because I don't remember. I know I got it from my beauty supply store, but I like to apply all over my cap and all over my frontal, and then I go in with some alcohol and clean up the excess makeup because the glue will not stick. Don't forget this step because the glue will not stick and you're gonna be mad. I'm going in with some lace grip glue. This is one of my favorite glues right now. The whole game is on point. So you want to do 3 layers of glue. So you want to do one side first. I like to start from the middle to the edge, then following the other side. While I let that side dry, I go ahead and repeat the same steps for the other side. You want to do this 3 times, and then you want to blow dry it on a cool setting once again. So you want to make sure the glue dries completely clear. Any little white spots, you want to just let it continue drying because you will not get the flawless meltdown that you're looking for. So when it's completely dry, you want to go ahead and begin to press the frontal into that glue. Then you want to hold this one. You just want to hold it for 10 seconds and boom, melt down. I usually tie it for like 15 to 30 minutes, but this glue is so good you don't even get tired until you go into bed. So I'm going in with some mousse. Alcohol-free mousse is the best way to go because if not, and there's alcohol in it, while you're laying your baby hairs, your frontal will lift and you will cry and you will really be upset. That would really be a waste of time. So now I'm going in with my hot comb. When you have a frontal or a closure, hot combs are your very best friend if you want that real super laid, sleek look. So how I do my baby hairs is I just part a little section and I trim with some scissors, any regular scissors or a razor blade, and I go back in with some mousse and I begin to swoop it very lightly. I like my baby hairs very thin, not too thin, but like we don't want them thick hula hoop looking baby hairs, girls. Remember, this is a frontal. It's supposed to look like mine. It's supposed to be natural, melted, and just looking like it's coming out of your scalp. So when they're thick, it's not looking like it's coming out of your scalp. So remember, thin is key. Also, if you guys want to see a more detailed video of how I bleach my knots and customize my frontals, including some baby hairs, just comment down below and I got you guys. So now I'm just defining the front part of my hair with my hot comb. I like to do this little trick where I'll take the comb and I'll comb through just a little bit and flip it forward to get this high bouncy look. Then I'll go through it again with the back of the hot comb just to smooth it out a bit. Then I just go over it with some mousse, grab that hot comb again, and just press the top out. Like just lay it on the part where I made it, a bit bouncy, just so it has like a nice defined look. I like to spray my toothbrush with the freeze blast spray instead of spraying the hair directly, because with the toothbrush it's like you brush it in and you have more control. As for spraying your hair, it makes it real sticky. This is the final look, you guys. Do you see that? Oh, flawless, melted, and a perfect frontal. So I will be listing everything once again in the description box, all the products that I use, the hair, the vendor, everything. So stay tuned to my channel, like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to hit that notification bell and stay tuned for more lovely videos in the future. See you soon.